I'll block your face out of it. Okay. Okay. That's an R1.
Yeah. Pretty sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Man, it's just like so much room with the and it's not a tubular chassis, is it?
No.
Yeah.
No, everything's stock. It's stock front suspension. It's stock rear suspension.
Yeah.
Nah, dude. I was a nitrous car for a while, and it ran good.
Yeah.
You know, it ran good. It was.
I saw with some bikes. So, running you? Fuck it, just line it up.
Intake exhaust tube.
You know, okay. Why is the booster not lining it up? That's the question.
Stock.
It's stock booster. Drove a little bit out the way rather than trailering it. Drove it, and then we're racing a Monte Carlo. Not this. This is a R32. Yeah. I ran into old friend Alex. This is clean. Pearl white or what?
No, it's like Arctic white.
Arctic white. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Yeah. This thing looks good. Right hand drive, of course. You gotta do it right. Oh yeah. What'd you pay for it? If you don't mind me asking.
28.
28? And that was before COVID, right?
Yeah.
Good shit. Hey, bro, you locked up.
Skyrocketing.
Because they're probably going for what now? What, like 35, maybe 40 now? More than that?
60, 70.
60, 70. So you can flip this, sit on it a little bit, and then get like a 35, maybe
I
something.
got a lot of money in the motor.
Yeah?
I had to get it rebuilt.
On the motor?
Yeah.
Mind if we see it? All right, hell yeah. Sitting on a gold mine right now. Upgraded turbo or?
Yeah, HKS GT 2510.
Okay. Which is what, like a 65 mil or?
I think it's like 52?
50? Okay.
51?
It's like buried somewhere in there, twins?
Oh, there he is. Buried in there.
Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. I kind of see the built-in waste.
Yep.
Okay. Finish on the intake runner, definitely.
Wrinkle black.
Yeah.
A little dusty, but yeah.
So you have to rebuild the motor, huh?
Yeah, so I picked it up, and the tune on it wasn't really, I guess, the best because it was like retuned on the stock ECU.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it ended up spinning a bearing. Because the tune, it was like, I guess like started knocking a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what was the budget for that? Like 7, 8 grand? More? Sheesh,
More than what I paid for the car.
More than what you paid for the car?
I needed a new crank.
And those cranks are like hard to come by, huh?
Yeah, we had to wait forever for that thing.
And what brand crank did you go with?
It's just a Nissan crank.
Okay, so factory forged.
Yeah.
And then keeping it simple. Okay.
Because it was a stock ECU that was like retuned in Japan. I had to go with the AM Infinity ECU.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Like I said, Monte Carlo. I believe it's an LS car. And word is making right around between 13 and 14. He was supposed to have, he had put the car in a trailer actually, but then the track event tomorrow got canceled. The reason why I wasn't going was because I'm deploying in like 5 days, and I need to have this car running before I leave. That way I can have somebody start it up for me every once in a while. So I can't deploy knowing that the car is broken. So I'm trying to like just take it easy, this next 5 days. We'll be good to go on that. So the race event got canceled tomorrow, so I was like, fuck it, just bring the car out. Because I know you pissed, so I might as well just bring the car out, come blow some steam. Whenever I'm with somebody, like I usually like just get there and it was like, just like, boom, let's go, So at least today, I'm just like taking my time, let them pull in, like talk a little bit. As far as what? Nah, I mean, not even that. They just like, even like at the track, like, I will always get to the track, like, dead of time, where it's like, boom, like, up the trailer stage, go, and like, I've always hated that, bro. Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly. So.
I was like, usually I got the like gimbal stabilizer, so I'm usually doing that. Like,
yeah, definitely found me a guy with the camera, so he's gonna be recording my next intro because I've been definitely needing something a little bit more HD. I can show you what I put together, and it's pretty much like I've been just like changing like clips here and there, but pretty much just rocking with the same shit. It's pretty eye catching, so I'm just like so whatever. Yeah. It's probably like 30 seconds long, so it could be a little shorter, but I think it's dope. But definitely need to revamp. Alright, there he is, man of the hour. It looks like he brought some friends with him too. Man of the hour. Race event got canceled, huh? Race event got canceled. Yeah. I was like, that definitely pissed me off. So I'm like, fuck it, just bring the car out.
Yeah. Well, dude, I was already like chilling in my boxers, like in for the night type shit. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was already chilling and shit, but then I told my girl, she got all pissed off and shit. I was like, look, so it's either like I go out and fuck around for a couple hours a night, or I go find somewhere to go like all fucking day tomorrow. You know what I mean? So,
Right.
we'll try. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
But like my thing is, I can only do like one or two because my shit just don't do that good on the highway.
Yeah,
you know
I got
what I'm saying.
I got you. Yeah.
So
dick car, roll car. So.
Right. Yeah, I just like to come out and have fun because I like to fuck around.
I got you. That's the fans running right now.
Yeah, I'm just trying to keep it cool.
I got you. You definitely keep this thing on the down low because I don't see too many videos of it. But the one that I saw, it looked like the front end like lifted on the road.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, I definitely got the suspension dialed in.
I mean, I haven't done a roll in a while, man. That's why you just heard me. Those were sticker tires. That's why you heard me do that little like burnout thing over there to try to. Oh yeah, you're good.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I'm curious on what you'll do. I mean, I know your shit's fast, so.
You don't know that.
Your shit's fucking fast, man.
It's a road car, so you know. Now you're like in my territory. You would definitely smack me from a dig. So.
We'll see how it goes for a roll. You got a big old blower on that, man. Shit.
Yeah.
That is a big ass blower. It don't look that big in picture.
Is it?
I mean, it looks big to me. I don't
get used to it.
That much.
I mean, I think your turbo's probably bigger than that, though, right? Because you probably went what, like an 80, maybe 90?
It's a 94.
Okay, well then, yeah,
it might be a 91 or it might be a 94. When I sent it to Forced Inductions, there was like I sent it back to get rebuilt.
Yeah.
And there was kind of like not a discrepancy.
Okay.
We weren't clear on language, so I'm not sure if they bored it out and put a 94 turbine in it or not.
Okay.
But they said that they were, so I don't know. I didn't get an invoice when I got the turbo back, so I haven't measured it, so I don't know.
You're not gonna pop the hood, right? Because that's a brush car, right?
Yeah, I can. No, it's not.
You guys see with the bikes? Okay.
Thought you were about to get some.
They can hop in too. I see a booster. That looks like a booster right there. Hey, it's fair game.
Yeah,
I see a booster, and that one looks like a BMW.
You wanna try that side, Nick?
Pretty sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Man, it's just like so much room with the and it's not a tubular chassis, is it?
No,
Yeah.
no, everything's stock. It's stock front suspension, it's stock rear suspension.
So much is like just so much like working space for
Yeah.
Okay. At 5.3, 6.0.
It was a 5.3 block. I got some work done to it, so
Okay.
it's not exactly a 5.3 anymore, but it's not a big. It's not a 6.0 either. So it's in between.
In between. Yeah, it's definitely.
Yeah, it's backyard, man. You know what I mean? Like,
Nah, chill out. It looks good.
Like, you know, over the years and whatnot, and now it's here.
Yeah.
And we'll see
So
how
I came a long way in a couple of years.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, dude. I was on I was a nitrous car for a while, and it ran good.
Yeah.
You know, it ran good. It was. I'll beat most of the cars around here.
Yeah.
But I went to the track one time and got just slammed fucking wasted. It
Yeah.
straight fucked me up, and I was like, man, I gotta get a turbo.
And then that was all.
And nitrous got so expensive. Like I literally can't afford nitrous.
Yeah.
Like quite literally can't afford nitrous. You put an investment into a turbo setup, and then
You can just beat on it all day. Yeah.
You know, as long as all your shit's together.
I've been fucking snapping belts, man. So it's just like I'm like right there, just.
Do like a higher roll?
Yeah. So because I'm gonna be in third gear.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I mean, that's fine with me. I'll match you whatever you're at, and we'll just go. Like I said, just once or twice. And I mean, if they suck, then we can come back and hang out for a little bit or whatever. You know.
Okay.
What I mean?
Yeah.
Try it one more time.
Yeah. Because I know traffic is probably.
I know. It's
Little-
kind of crazy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. If I can have a passenger, fuck it, why not? I usually don't, but
Okay.
I don't got no money in it, so why not? Yeah, but no horn. 60 miles an hour in third gear, I'll be at like 2,800 RPM.
I mean, I'm not gonna not race anyway.
I like that.
You know what I mean?
I like that.
I'm just hoping that my shit don't get. On these cooler nights, the car does a lot better.
Yeah.
Alright, so y'all are getting on big green, or initially back that way, in the loop, and they can fuck that out. Alright, I wasn't recording either. That's it.
What up, bro? You tagging along? I've been wanting to run the booster, so.
And what? And that?
Yeah. Which was the fastest bike out here right now?
What's that white? You gotta run that white.
Him on my bike.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say.
Who's the rider though?
Yeah, exactly.
You don't know, dude.
Hey, fuck around to find
Who's
out.
the rider? Is he a good rider? Bad rider? Yeah. You don't fucking know. You don't know until you fucking.
Yeah. So you'll be in second gear, yeah? First gear at 80? Jeez, that'll just run out real quick. First gear 80, you're probably gonna be at what? Where's your RPM band here? What does it rev up to? Like 15?
13, 14.
Have you tried being in first gear for 80?
Oh, yeah, that's all I do. That's all he does.
All right, let it eat. All right, and this is what? 2020 R1? Okay. I had a R1 2013. I actually sold it before moving back up here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. All right, so couldn't get a clean lineup with the Monte Carlo, so we're gonna be messing with some bikes. So, running you? Fuck it, just line it up. Fuck it.
I got her.
Super. Okay. All right. 2020 Yamaha R1. Anything done to it? Anything done to it that you know of?
Oh, just intake exhaust tube.
You know, okay. Why is the booster not lining it up? That's the question.
Stop.
It's stock booster?
Stop. Over the winter.
Well, I mean, at least just see where you at. You know what I'm saying? I mean, just a car.
Nah,
It's a car, bro.
See, nah.
Oh yeah.
Kevin knows of you. He's in my chat, and he wanted to line up with you, but you can't make it.
Yeah. Okay.